This morning, 3 named storms are turning in the Atlantic. Much of the attention, though, is going to the one you see in the middle there, Hurricane Maria. It's a Category 2 hurricane following the same destructive path that Irma took just a week ago and quickly picking up strength. Meteorologist Chad Meyer is tracking it all. You cannot have a day off, sir, because these storms are one after the next after the next.
I know. I have my cot right there. It's just my little coffee pot and my little cot. It's right there. Here is Maria. It is now a Category 2 storm, 110 miles per hour. Earlier today, it was like 85 or 90, so it got strong quickly. Now, Lee is going to get in the middle of the Atlantic and die. Jose is doing nothing good today. That's the great news. It is just sucking in dry air off the east coast of the U.S. and losing an eye. Now, it still will make a lot of waves, a lot of wind, and all that, but it's not going to regain a big category in a hurricane strength. But look at this. 140-mile-per-hour storm, Category 4, expected near St. Croix, for Vieques and Culebra, and even into Puerto Rico. That will be the biggest storm this area has seen in 85 years. You talked about how this is near Irma, but in fact, it's about 200 miles farther south than Irma. Here's what the hurricane models are saying: into the Atlantic Ocean, staying offshore. But you know what? By the time we're out this far, this is 8 days, it can do just about anything it wants to. So let's get to the floor here. We'll talk about where Irma went. It went over Barbuda. This is going over Dominica, significantly farther to the south, but there is a cross. There is a cross where this storm will go right over the top of where Irma went. That is somewhere just north of Puerto Rico, again in the Turks and Caicos. This is an area that was hit so very hard. Now, this is not forecast to be a Category 5 hurricane yet, but it is still gaining strength. If you're looking for pressure, 964 was the last pressure that the hurricane hunter flew over. That is the last pressure that we know of right now. So the storm is still gaining strength. It's still moving to the northeast. We still and already have warnings posted here for the Leeward Islands. The big story here about Jose, it's a wind and wave maker. And for now, that's all. Copy.
All right, Chad, thank you.